Hello, welcome to Popeye Hill. I did a video not long ago about this bin of compost here and how I plan to move it down this year down into the garden. So I started that this morning, and before I wrapped up completely, I thought I'd share with you a little bit more of what I'm doing and why I'm doing it this particular way. First thing I wanted to show you what was going on inside here with what's left. We'll take a look at some of the material that won't be going down there and why that is. What I wanted to show you was material that's not going to be going down to the garden yet this year. So I don't want to block the camera. This is still pretty much intact, and it won't work in the garden yet. So it's going to go in the compost bin right behind. The Mattock is a good tool for this, especially when you get into the material that's kind of hard to break apart. So let me work on this a little bit and you can see what I'm doing. It chops it, it pulls it forward, makes it easier to access. That works, but this works better. Here's one of the interesting things that happens when you compost, especially when you're close to trees like this one. You'll get roots in the compost pile. I'll show you exactly how long they are and what I'm going to do about them. Although the roots are a little bit of a pain, and they are, what they tell you is that this compost is really good for moisture and for nutrients, and the tree wants to take advantage of it. So that's why it grows into it. So what I do is snip these off, like so. Let's put the Mattock back to work. Really good tool. Boy, that's good stuff. And remember, this was whole green plants of one form or another, or fruits or vegetables, or anything along the line that ended up in the compost pile. Here's the garden that it's going to. You can see I already put some stuff down already. But I'm going to unload that trailer right on these couple rows here now. Okay, time to offload this compost. And I'll have my back to the camera there, so apologies for that, but it's just how it works out with this stuff. So let's get the compost on here some more, and then on this row. I want to get more compost on this row than on that row. I just did, and the reason for that is I'm trying to build this up. My goal is to just go with long rows of raised beds, and that'll be my garden for now and for years to come. And I'll cover a reason for that in another video. It has something to do with getting old. there come those raindrops I was talking about. Come on, rain. Just hold off a little longer. You can do it. I know you can. I wear a Fitbit tracker, a health tracker, and it has a reading on it called cardio load, where apparently when your heart gets above a certain rate for a certain period of time, it counts as points towards something, and you're supposed to have a target range that you go for every so often. So today I checked my cardio load range or goal was supposed to be like maximum of 45, but between this morning's work and I'm sure this afternoon here I'll be above that. No big deal. Okay, so folks, that's what my process is for putting compost, taking compost from up there and getting it into the garden. I do this pretty much every year one way or another. So this will be worked in. I may shovel it, but realistically, I have a tiller. I'll probably till it in. And it'll add to the organic material in the garden, and it'll make it so much nicer to work. And I just wanted to say, and I mean this, I do appreciate watching. And if you do like it, if you're interested in this type of stuff, please like and subscribe. And we'll see you next time.